Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It does have the sport hood on it, looks great. You have the silver accenting, or chrome accenting, sorry, on your grille there. You do also have projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there with your parking sensors right along there. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look fantastic. You also have your running boards along the bottom and your heated exterior mirrors, which are the tow mirrors. So you just got to pull them up like that, and they look great. Let you see even farther back. Pull those back down. Coming around to the back here, we do have a 6-foot box. Looks great. You do have your backup camera there, your dual exhaust pipes, and your parking sensors. Now you can open this guy up. Lots of room back here, looks fantastic. Does also have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got 2 presses to lower the vehicle with the air ride suspension, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold. Now it does have proximity keyless entry, so if it's locked, and you have the key on your person, you just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock. Plus you got the button there to lock it up if you did want. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. A little bit of chrome accenting, handle, some storage, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. They look great. You do also have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt, and lumbar support. As well as up here, you do have your controls over your lights. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights, you press them in, and your in-cabin light control here. Right up here, we do have the controls of the high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. So push your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature. We also have our battery life and our oil up there. Now in the center it does tell us our range, which way we're facing, as well as our speedometer in the middle and how many kilometers we have. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow options, your audio. You got your stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here. You have your Bluetooth options as well, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you have volume up and down button, as well as the source changer. And then in the center, you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there with your media player here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card slot. You do also have your heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel. Your climate control, it does have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are in Rec Place. You have your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings right there. And when we are in reverse, we do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Then down here we do have the controls over our gears, so we have our, just turn it like that. Down here you do have your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel auto, lock and low. And then over here we do have our volume up and down with the mute. Screen off, has lights, back button, and browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off, auto. Then your front and rear defrost. You have your trailer brake, your air ride suspension there. You also have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, your park sensors over there. You have your heated and vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Some storage here. More down here with a little spot to put your phone. Cup holders, and you do have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders right there, and over here we do have an aux cord USB plug-in and a SD card slot. You can lift this up, you got some storage just in there, and over here we do have a top layer on our glove box and a bottom layer right there. Up top you got your control over your sunroof, your little window in the back, and your universal garage door opener, and there is our sunroof looking fantastic. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have the same chrome accenting, control of your windows, handle here, and looks great back here. It is the same material as the front. That leather is very comfortable. You can lift this up and this, and then you got some storage just underneath there. You do have your cup holders right over here, and then we can do this, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You can do the same with the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.